हमारा दिन शुरू ही मेकअप से होता है एंड इनफैक्ट जितना ज़रूरी हमारे लाइफ में मेकअप है, आई डोंट थिंक एनीथिंग एल्स इज एज इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज we can play so many different characters because we look different every time and a lot of it's, I mean, without makeup it's really not possible. Of course, today's time and age makeup has evolved so much and it's very different than it ever was and मुझे ये सिखाने वाली शख्सियत आज आपके बाजू में, मेरे बाजू में खड़ी है and so basically, you know, Billy kind of put it into my head that skincare is the new makeup. So you know, and for so many young girls out there who want to learn how to do their own makeup and I think today the youth is really curious and is very informed and you don't have to be a celebrity to want to know the perfect winged eyeliner or, you know, perfect eyes or lips, and everybody is educated about it. So to further educate you, there is Billy Manik who has opened Out of the Box, and I know she's a very close friend. I mean, close friend is literally an understatement. We sleep together, and pun intended.
I can't believe you said that.
Yeah. So, and intimate details I know about her. So, without getting into that, I can say that she's extremely passionate about OTB. That's what we call it. And it's not only it's for all the girls out there. I mean, we've grown up wanting to play dress up every morning, and that's what we actually enjoy doing the most, and we're lucky to make a profession out of it, a job out of it, something like a livelihood out of it. So we are those few lucky people, and here we are to have fun, to call more people to OTB, you know, learn how to do their own faces, maybe to do makeup for somebody else, for their families, for their mums, their sisters, their bhabis, you know, there's so many people who want to learn how to do makeup. And आजकल शादियाँ तो बड़ी, you know, it's like the most important thing. इसकी शादी हो रही है, उसका तो it's like the whole world revolves around makeup, hair, clothes. So yeah, I mean, I think Billy is your man.
मेकअप में आप घर से बाहर ही नहीं निकलते?
मेरा तो पूरा मुंह ही मुझे थोपना पड़ता है जी, बिकॉज मेरा काम ही यही है. मेरा तो every day I'm playing a different character. I mean, I did a film like Bahubali where I had to change my complete skin tone, and that was the requirement of the character. But in person, I think I'm very minimalistic. I barely put anything and just bare minimal to look alive and awake. So yeah, but yes, I really appreciate the fact that makeup can transform you. And I mean, I have, you know, the best. I have my closest friend teaching me how to do it, so I'm sorted.
If you want to tell only one word to makeup, what can you say? मतलब makeup के लिए
right now it's OTB. You know, if you want makeup, go get OTB. We are doing, yeah. So Billy was the makeup artist on Bahubali, and now Bahubali Part 2. I'm going to start shooting for it in July. So yeah, I'm going to join the team very soon.
There was a time when we used to watch Kapil Sharma's show only because of the man and his jokes. Now the only thing watchable on his show is when guests turn up